Hello everyone, myself Subhasri Raskwa. In this video, I am going to talk about Swami Vivekananda's philosophy of education. What was his ideal view of education? So, let us start. Swami Vivekananda was one of the greatest spiritual leaders of the modern world, a great lover of humanity whose unconditional love extended to all people without any distinction of caste, class, creed, race, reason, or religion. Vivekananda takes in the truths preached in the Vedas, the Upanishads, the Bhagavad Gita, and the Puranas to the extent they constitute an exposition of bhakti or devotion as a way of reaching God consciousness. Vivekananda considered the Gita, the Upanishads, and the Vedas as the most important curriculum for religious education. For him, religion is self realization and it is not only for one's personal development but also for the total development of mankind. The moral and religious educations develop the self confidence among the young men and women. According to Vivekananda, true education gives the growth and expansion of personality. His main vision was the education for total human development. According to Vivekananda, the means for education is love. Love and character buildings are the best means for education. The child should be taught through love, fellow feelings, and love for human beings. Vivekananda says that education must help the individual to recognize his cultural heritage and to use it in his struggle of life. Education is a lifelong process towards the fullest development of human personality, self discovery, self perfection, self awareness, and self manifestation. According to Swami Vivekananda, the prime aim of education is to achieve the full perfection already present in the child. Through education, the individual will mold themselves into a complete and perfect human being of their life. All knowledge and all powers are within. All knowledge comes from the human soul. According to Vivekananda, all the materials and spiritual knowledge are already present in the individual's mind, but it is covered by certain ignorance. Education is the character development of the child. He emphasizes the child should practice brahmacharya, which fosters development of mental, moral, and spiritual powers, leading to purity of thought, words, and deeds. Vivekananda also talked about women education. Vivekananda insists that men and women are equally competent not only in the academic matters but also must have an equal companion in the home and family. Vivekananda considered women to be the incarnation of power and asked men to respect them in every way possible. He says, the ideal woman in India is the mother first, and the mother last. According to Vivekananda, the ideal education system should not only impart theoretical knowledge but also enable the learner to apply intelligently all the noble ideas and to grow physically, intellectually, morally, and also spiritually. Vivekananda says that education should spread to every household in the country, to factories, playing grounds, and agricultural fields. If the children do not come to the school, the teacher should reach them. Vivekananda favored education for different sections of society, rich and poor, young and old, male and female. Vivekananda said, education must provide life building, man making, character building assimilation of ideas. This ideal education will produce an awakened person, the ideal one who knows how to improve his intellect, purify his emotion, and stand like rock on moral virtues and unselfishness. Thank you.